Right, it's a rather wet and soggy Grizz and Taffy. We've come out to Fowler's in Bristol, and we just had a breakfast and had a meet up with Mark, and we also seen V4 Mark. Hi guys, it was lovely to see you guys. Hello. Yeah, it was lovely to see you, and yeah, very cool. So yeah, we're on holiday.
Yeah.
1 week's holiday. No, 2 weeks holiday.
Holiday.
High five.
High five.
2 bloody weeks. Right, let's get going. We've got just Taffy's bike, because Taffy said, rather than me load my bike up in the back of the van and do all that messing around, why don't I follow into work and we'll ride home on her bike. So that's what we're doing basically. Sadly, Taffy is going on the back of her bike.
Yeah, I'm not going to be riding Grizz on the back of her.
No, I'm not going, bitch.
On the back of my bike.
No, sadly, Taffy's going to go. Sorry, Taff. Anyway, let's get going and stop talking.
The things I do.
Yeah, I know. Isn't she great? Okay, ready to go?
Yeah, skadoodle.
Yeah, so Grizz and Taffy are on holiday for a couple of weeks. Apologies if there is a gap in some of our usual kind of footage of going up regular videos. I know I said I want to make it a more regular thing, but we need a holiday. We've not had a holiday in like, I don't know, 6 months or so. So yeah, holiday time, and we're using up our last 2 weeks entitlement. I'm going to enjoy ourselves and chill out and just have a bit of downtime. Let's just make a little bit of a subject out of this, because I didn't want to just make it like Grizz and Taffy, we're out on the bike, we're on holiday. I wanted to do that, but it's been a bit of a short vlog, so I'm going to turn this into a how to be a good rider when you have a pillion. Well, a lot of it, to be honest, it's kind of common sense. A lot of it is kind of being smooth, you know, no kind of hard acceleration, no hard braking. Some of the things that Taffy always tells me is not to move my helmet too much, my head too much, because it can kind of, it can, like, your front feels a bit weird.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it? It felt really weird to me. I thought it was just me.
I think it's kind of turning in a bit. I looked at the wear on it earlier, and the wear some of it looks quite worn.
Yeah, well, it does feel a bit weird when I was going out. I thought it was just me.
Yeah, it feels a bit strange,
doesn't it? Like it's a bit shaky. Not shaky,
not shaky. No, it just feels like it's turning in quicker than I want it to.
Yeah, that's why I feel. It
feels like you go into the corner and it goes like, whoop, it's like going in.
Me too. You need to like hold it.
You need to look at your front tyre. I think your front tyre might be a bit worn.
You reckon? Oh.
Maybe uneven. Maybe a little bit on the edges.
Oh yeah, I need to have a look. It feels different, that's for sure. Yeah.
I need to get the bike with a good check over. I mean, there was no damage on the bike when she had her little off, but yeah, it does feel a bit strange.
No damage.
This slippery surface isn't helping, mind you.
No, but it was dry and it still didn't feel right.
Alright, well, I'll have a look at it when we get back. So being a good rider when you've got a pillion, keep things smooth, you know, and just ride like you're being careful.
Like you're being careful.
Like you care.
Like you actually care.
Yeah, like for real.
Depends who's on the back.
Yeah, like I don't know. Yeah, you've got something you really cherish on the back.
Like a burrito.
Yeah, burrito, exactly. Yeah, food. And a six-pack.
Yeah, a six-pack. Yeah, a six-pack would make sense.
With one of the cans already open, and you don't want to spill your beer.
Oh yeah, that makes sense. I'm a bit worried, like, if I do eventually give someone a ride on the back. I've never done it, so I wouldn't know what it feels like.
Would you give me a ride on the back? Would you ride with me on the back?
I don't know if I could handle it. You're quite, you know, it's quite contrast in weight.
What do you mean?
What do you mean? I'll be wheeling all the way back. I'll be like, just using my back wheel. Oh.
She's got a point now.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, just ride like you've got a burrito and a six-pack on the back seat.
Burrito with a six-pack.
A burrito.
It makes sense though. Makes sense.
Yeah. I mean, Taffy and I have toured like the whole of Europe on a ZX-10R.
Yes.
And riding this is probably, I think it was maybe even more comfortable than the ZX-10R. What do you think?
It is a bit, yeah. It's not, well, is more comfortable. I think I would have my foot pegs as a pillion. I think I would have my foot pegs a bit lower because my my knees. I'm sat upright, but my knees are a bit too high. If that makes sense, I don't know. It just doesn't feel good for my knees. Probably because of my leathers as well. It's got knee protections.
Yeah.
And it's cutting off the circulation in my knees.
So your
I'm a
foot
bit
pegs,
ouch.
your foot pegs then are basically a little bit high, you think?
Yeah, foot pegs, or it's more so to do with my leathers. I don't know if you remember when we were touring, I took out my knee protections.
Yeah, of course I remember.
They were cutting out my circulation. I think it's maybe just having different set of leathers give me more comfortable.
Yeah.
I think that would be helpful, but it's more comfortable. Yeah, definitely. You're more upright.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not bad. Yeah, it's quite relaxing.
So yeah, we've got a lot of experience basically of riding two up, and I mean, you know, a ZX-10R could never be called comfortable, and this is definitely not
the spine crusher.
This bike now that we're riding now is not really again a touring bike at all. It's a full-on sports bike, but yeah, I mean, you know, if you're doing short distances, it's not that bad. You know, Taffy and I, this wouldn't be our first time we've rode some kind of, for an hour or two maybe, two up on this. Is okay. All day riding, you know, it's a bit different, isn't it? It's
a bit tricky.
Be a little...
Well, it's not designed to be a comfort bike, so
no, of course not. Of course not. Of course not. But lots of the things we used to do, we used to stop and have little rests, didn't we?
Yeah, we did.
But I mean, from a standpoint of making a video about kind of, you know, being a good rider for, you know, taking a passenger, it primarily, you know, it's kind of common sense. It's keeping things smooth, no hard acceleration, no hard braking. Try and be nice and smooth on your gear changes, and that's kind of covers it really. And the rest of it really would come down to being like a good pillion. And to be a good pillion, you have to lean with the rider, you know, kind of keep your upper body and head and shoulders where the rider is really. You can, you know, it's not exactly very easy to do because obviously your helmet can get in the way and you don't want to be bashing helmets all the time. So to a degree you can't really be too close, but try to stay close and follow the rider really. Taffy does something that we've learned, or she's learned, by putting her hands on the tank when I brake. You okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, so she puts her hands on the tank when I brake to take some of the weight off of me as such.
Yeah, a little bit of weight. A little bit.
Yeah.
It helps.
Yeah.
It does help.
It does.
I'm only tiny as well, so...
Yeah, there is an advantage in that.
Yeah. I got used to it as well. Being in that position doesn't feel that bad.
Some things, talking from experience, some things I would advise against doing as a pillion is when you're riding at about, say, 60 or maybe 80 miles an hour, I would advise against taking out your mobile phone and taking photos of the scenery with your gloves
off. I mean, who does that?
I mean, who would do that, Taffy?
It's outrageous.
Yeah.
You would never see me doing anything like that.
That would just be stupid.
No, you would never. I would never. No.
We're overtaking.
No.
know. You might need a bit of air in there or something.
Probably.
Yeah, no, it feels fine. Feels fine. Don't worry.
All right.
You can relax.
And relax.
I know you're a bit worried, but it's fine. The bike's fine. It's not dangerous.
No, I hope not.
No, it's not dangerous. It's just the feedback feels a little bit. It just feels like the front wants to fold in a bit more.
Yeah, that's what I felt like.
And yeah, it's probably pressure. We need to check your pressures.
Okay. You stopping?
Yeah, just gonna have a quick check. Solid. Pretty. I need to check the pressure because it's always deceiving. It's fine, I think. I think it's just the only thing I noticed is there's kind of quite a heavy groove. Might be that just initial kind of drop off of this part.
Yeah.
Where it's just falling just a little bit quicker than it used to because this part of the tyre is wearing quicker than this.
Yeah.
So there's just I think it's that initial drop off of upright. It just feels a bit quick.
It does.
And I think it's because it's worn here and here.
He's gone. I've been going straight for too long.
You probably need a new. No, I don't think it's straight. If it was straight, it'd be flat in the middle. But it's just that initial turn in, I think.
Yeah.
So it's just that initial bit you first turn.
Yeah, he does feel a bit like, oh.
Yeah.
I just felt a bit like, like that, like
it's just going, what?
Yeah. I thought it was just in my mind. I was like, maybe it's just me.
Yeah, it is, but it's fine.
It's fine.
It's not dangerous.
No.
You just need to get used to it falling in a little bit quicker than you were used to.
Yeah, I've been taking it slow and stuff. Someone's having a really bad day, eh?
Yeah.
Not nice.
No.
Imagine seeing your own funeral. Would anyone turn up on my funeral?
I would.
You would? Oh, that'd be nice. That's all I need, really.
Unless I'm dead already.
Nah, you won't be dead. You're too stubborn to be dead, love.
I'm too what?
Stubborn.
Stubborn, true.
Too stubborn to be dead.
Yeah.
I think you are.
Yeah.
I'm a first aider. I know how to resuscitate you back.
Oh shit.
I just need some power outlet as well.
Power?
Yeah,
We're
power outlet.
Just rip an appliance off. And just leave it plugged in. And bare wire my chest.
Yeah, it'll be right. Nobody's gonna know. I mean,
no one's gonna die.
No, nobody's gonna die. I mean, if you're already dying, you know, what harm, you know, can I do, you know?
Can you just wait until I'm dead before you do that?
Well, I can wait, but, you know, you won't even feel it, really, technically, you know.
I reckon I might feel it.
You might feel it? A little bit?
Yeah.
But just think of it this way, your chest hair will be gone, right?
Chest hair will be gone.
Yeah, it'll be gone, so you don't have to worry about all that grooming.
What? As in, like, burnt?
Singed. Yeah, it'll be right. It'll be right.
Yeah.
You know, all these, you know, all that time, you know, you spend, you know,
grooming my chest hair.
Hours of grooming. Not grooming, but, you know, shaving, and you don't have to do that anymore. Just chill, you know, like.
I don't spend time shaving my chest hair.
You don't spend time?
No, I don't shave my chest hair.
You don't?
I have a fine chest of hair. Thank you.
You do have like a nice little.
Yes. Manly.
Nice little carpet. Yeah, nice little. It's not a Persian carpet, but you know. It's
Persian?
Right. It's not Persian. No, like really luxurious.
What?
It's just a bit kind of. What would you call it? You know, medium strength.
It's not grey yet.
No, it's not fully grey yet, so that's a plus.
What do you mean fully?
No, there is a little, you know, sneaky ones, you know.
For fuck's sake.
You can't lie, please. All right. I've
There
seen
is
your chest.
There is the occasional stray grey.
Stray grey.
Yeah.
More like the army of stray greys. More like the rebellion now going on in there.
Shut up.
Here's a rebellion. Come on. Just missing a little flag and you know, calling in their own little country out there and everything.
You're getting well carried away now.
Huh?
You're getting well carried away now.
No, you know. It's just being honest. It's just being honest. So stop it. Shut fuck.
This is how you ride with a
Piss off.
pillion.
Piss off. No.
Okay,
Oh,
I've stopped.
dick. Oh. Shut up. No, don't. Oh, fuck off. Douchebag.
This is how not to ride with a pillion.
Douchebag. No.
See,
Punch you.
they're not happy.
Punch you in the ribs. I'll punch you in the ribs. I will. I will. I'll punch you. Oh. I'm never giving you my bike, right?
Oh, don't say that.
You're very close. Very
That
close.
is very hurtful.
You're very close. You're gonna lose all the privileges.
Not all of them.
Not all of them. Just the bike.